Hoy! Andyan ka pala! And yeah, I'm picking up my sister right now. And yes, my daughter's behind me. She's playing bubbles and she's wearing a crown. But anyways, it's Saturday. What's December today? December 11. It is actually my wedding anniversary. But anyways, because of that, we are going to Unsolicited Plant Talks. It's just so timely. They are also doing an open house this weekend. So I don't know, maybe when I upload this video, it's already done. But yeah, I'm going back and I'm so happy. They already provided a list of what's gonna be available in specific greenhouses. There are 2 greenhouses that's gonna be open to the public. They have coded it the green and the yellow. I know, the green and the red. Oops, there's no yellow. Why did I say yellow? Like yellow snow. Like anyways. So yeah, they also provided a price list, because obviously we're still in this era. We're in like, yeah. Anyways, and also it's a private nursery or private greenhouse, and it's also a residential area. So there's a limited time and limited space. I think they're only allowing 16 people at a time per greenhouse, and there are 28 parking slots in the area. Yeah, they have a huge piece of land. So yeah, so hopefully I get there. But my daughter, we haven't had breakfast yet, so we're gonna go to McDonald's, and this is not a sponsored video because maybe one day. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Is that McDonald's or just Jollibee? But anyways, we're going to McDonald's because chicken nuggets, children. Yeah, and then we'll see you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm waiting for my sister. We're picking her up. Yeah. Hi.
YouTube.
This is Viola.
Hi.
What are you getting?
I don't know yet. Let's see. I'm more visual shopper.
Yes.
I need to see it first.
Any budget? Sky's the limit.
No, I have a credit card.
Ah. How about you? Oh, there's a dog. There's a dog. Mayumi. OMG. So, April showcased this on their Instagram story. So pretty. This is the Patricia.
Yung 450.
Wow. And then those, they're the infamous Lauterbacchi. This is Lauterbacchi, that's Imperialis, right?
No, it's not Imperialis.
What's that?
It's this one.
What is it?
We don't know the name.
So here are Hoya's Partioides with leaves. We're back at home. It's been a long day. So yeah, we came from Luyukaipa, which is an hour away from where I live, and then from that dropped off the plants, which I'm gonna show you guys, of course. That's why I'm doing this video. And then we went to our church revival, and then now we're back home, and I'm gonna show you guys this. And that's why I'm wearing this. And yes, it does say Jesus is my boss, amen. Yes. Yeah. Where was I? So, and forgive me, this is Julian's art. Yeah, on the back. So we did get total 4 plants. Some of the plants that I was hoping to replace, because I did neglect most of my plants. Some didn't make it, so I'm trying to replace some of them. But of course, I'm not gonna replace each and every one of them because I've learned my lesson. Yeah, we can only do so much. And yeah, you can really see this one, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the first one I was looking for when they showed up the list, which I'm gonna show here, is this Hoya Cistianza Splash. From the name itself, it has splash on its leaves. It's a thin leaf Hoya and it's bloom. Yeah, it's one of those. But yeah, mainly I like it because of the thin leaf. I've been into thin leaf Hoyas for a bit. Yeah. So yeah, Hoyas is Tianta. And I believe these were, or was it the other one? But yeah, there were only a few left on this one. And then I had this guy before too, but I'm not sure if this is the same specific one. But this is the Hoya Walichi subspecies tenebrosa. So the one that I got, I know was just Walichi, but this one have a subspecies tenebrosa in it, and it got a peduncle, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see. And yeah, it's another thin leaf Hoya, and its blooms. I'm gonna insert it, I guess, here where the empty pot. Yeah, Hoya Walichi. So these two are mine, and my sister got this one because she saw the bloom and she said it's affordable. So this one's $35. This is Hoya Patricia. It's a cross between Hoya elliptica and I forgot the other one. I used to know this a lot by heart, but now mommy brain. But yeah, and it has this, they say don't call it a tendril. Apparently it's not a tendril, it's a stem. Yeah, anyways, it's growing. It has new leaves and growth point is pretty much very active. So Hoya Patricia for my sister, because she went with me and she kept Jill busy together with teacher Anna. Hi teacher Anna. And the biggest purchase of them all, but technically they're the same prices, the plants that I got, but literally this is the biggest amongst them. And this is a Hoyang Pilipina, and it's a Hoya Cotis Porcelana. Okay, I already have this in my collection, and you're gonna say, why did you get another one? Because I killed them. Yeah. And I was actually hoping that two kinds of Hoya Cotis Porcelanas that I had before, the one of them would be the RJ1, which is the pink corolla, because the Cotis Porcelana, the nominate form that we know here, that like circulating here in North America, is the nominate form. So, oh no, I'm confusing it. I think the RJ1 is this one, and the nominate form is the pink one. But yeah, I got this because because April and her crew already did the hard part, which is basically make it produce peduncles, pedicel, and it just has to bloom. I mean, it just has to finish opening up. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 peduncles. So yeah, and the whoa, the plants that are trellis are on sale. I think they 10% off, and then at the same time, if you buy a certain price, they also give you a more discount. So whoa, yeah, so these are the plants that I got. Oh, and also 24-inch trellis, because my sister was very she was, what do you call this, inspired to actually grow her Hoya obovata, just like the obovata. Like, yeah, if you've been to UPT, like, yeah, like their mother plant obovata is amazeballs. It's like literally gorgeous, and it's trellis stuff. And then if you haven't seen why you should why you should trellis your Hoyas, you should check out April's YouTube channel. She explained it there why you should. It would encourage the growth and give you bigger leaves. Like, who doesn't want that, right? So anyways, if I saw you today, thank you for saying hi. Well, and at the same time, I'm so glad to make new friends over there. Like, literally, I was just like, Angelia, I'm like, yeah, the elliptica, not elliptica, like this one is just this much, it's pretty, you should see that, the bloom is like this. And she did. Like, yeah, I hope you, welcome to the crazy world of Hoyas, and may you have more love stories with more Hoyas. You know what I mean, you know, the Hoya hole. You get sucked in deeper. But yeah, it's all fun, and it's a beautiful community after all. And yeah, you guys check them out. Today is Saturday. They'll be open again tomorrow, which would be the time that this is uploaded, they're open till 5 o'clock. They provide food, they provide like daycare, like teacher Anna. Yeah, my daughter, she was able to keep her sitting up on the chair. So, I mean, sitting on the chair for a long time. And that's something. And yeah, say hi to April and Derek and the whole team. And Rainier is there too, of course. So yeah, and I think that's it. Kita-kita tayo next time. And may you always be blessed.